You're listening to the Journal Party Podcast, where every week we get together for the ultimate journal jam sesh as we journal through life together as a community. My name's Alex Gallner, and I'll be your host, so here's how it works. I'll give you a journal prompt and a groove, and you just start writing. After a few minutes, you'll hear a little bell that sounds like this, and we'll move on to the next prompt. After a couple minutes, you'll hear that bell again, and we'll move on to the next prompt, and we'll just keep going on like that till we're finished. Feel free to write on whatever you like, or even just follow along in your car. If you finish before the bell, you can try to dig deeper and elaborate, or just chill out and enjoy the tunes. Don't overthink it. There's no wrong way to do this, so welcome to the party. Journal Party. What's up, party people? Welcome back to the Journal Party Podcast. Today I want to get real about something that's essential but often a little tricky to navigate. I'm talking about family boundaries. It's on my mind. We got Thanksgiving coming up. It's been a real weird season for a lot of our families. But let's face it, they're our family. We gotta try, right? So, look, family dynamics can be complicated, and sometimes we're left feeling drained or even disrespected. But boundaries? They're the key to keeping our peace and honoring our needs. So today we're going to be jamming through 5 journal prompts to help us find clarity and create healthier boundaries with family. So open up that journal and let's get this party started. Here comes prompt number 1. What is one situation or behavior within your family that often leaves you feeling drained or disrespected? Prompt number 2. What are your emotional triggers in family settings, and where do these reactions come from? Prompt number 3. What would your ideal boundaries look like with your family, and how would they help you feel more at ease? Prompt number 4. What is one small, manageable boundary you could try setting with a family member, and how might you communicate it? prompt number 5. How will you remind yourself that setting boundaries with family isn't about rejection, but self-care? All right, how'd we do with that? Hopefully pretty good. I know family dynamics are no joke, and setting boundaries can be some of the hardest work that we do, especially when we care so deeply about the people involved. So give yourself credit for diving into this work today, because every step toward clarity and balance is worth celebrating. Thank you so much for tuning in and journaling with me today. If this episode helped you, please leave a review, and if you want more of these guided journaling practices, definitely check out our app. We got a supportive community there, mood and energy trackers, and tons of prompts to help you on this journey. Also, come connect with me on Instagram at JournalPartyOMG or my personal handle at Alex Gellner. And don't forget to join us every Wednesday night at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for Journal Party Live. It's a free live stream where we journal through our newest programs together, and then we share our insights at the end. You can join through our YouTube channel, our private Facebook group, or even directly through our app. All of the links for those are in the show notes. And thanks again for being here. Remember, setting boundaries with family isn't about shutting people out. It's about making space for yourself. And, if that doesn't work, then I don't know. Yeah, it's a tough one, right? You gotta protect yourself. You gotta protect your energy. So hopefully these help with keeping the peace. And if your boundaries are broken, well, that's why they're boundaries. They're not supposed to be crossed. So if you need to go a little bit deeper into this sort of work, then I would encourage you to reach out to a licensed professional. There are people out there who make it their whole job to help you through these sorts of tough issues. And I know these are, difficult for a lot of us. And so I just want to wish you the best for this holiday season. I hope that everybody can keep the peace, and I hope that your family is well and together. All right. Well, keep building that peace. And as always, party on.